Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When I have people over for dinner or a special occasion, I figure out my menu and make sure that each course is well planned. From hors d'oeuvre, appetizer, to main course and dessert. I also make sure to serve an aperitif, the right wine to pair, as well as an after-dinner drink, also called digestif. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Spanish coffee. This lovely drink has always been a favorite of mine because it completes the meal so nicely. It's very easy to make and so elegant to serve. It's an amazing cocktail recipe to have around. So my friends, let's get mixing. The first thing we'll do is to cut a small slit in a lemon wedge and slide it around the rim of the glass. Then we'll dip the rim in granulated sugar to coat it very well. Next, we'll add cognac, but you can always substitute brandy. And then Tia Maria. Now, if you want to make this easy liquor from scratch, click on the top right corner of your screen. To this, we'll pour in some hot coffee and top it up with whipped cream. And don't be shy with it. The next ingredient is your choice. You can either sprinkle the top with ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, or this one, baharat. It's a nice change, but read the blog for more details. And for the final touch, we'll garnish with a maraschino cherry. And my friends, this is our Spanish coffee. This is such a great digestive to have after your meal. As you saw, it's very quick and easy to make. A nice classic beverage to serve to your guests. This is the perfect hot cocktail to enjoy during the holidays or whenever you feel like having one. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!